Yes, good morning children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all good and fine. So from today onwards we are going to start our regular syllabus. Yes, everyone ready children? Yes. So before going to start this, now from class 1 onwards, for every subject you will have 3 books. Okay, 2 studios and 1 companion. So in that 2 studios, one is volume 1 and another one is volume 2 children. So for maths you will have 2 studios now children. In that one is volume 1. So now we will discuss in volume 1 and after completing volume 1 we will go with volume 2 and companion. So first now everyone open Math Studio volume 1. Okay children, Math Studio volume 1. Yeah, open page number 1. So, what is the title of this chapter? Long and short. Okay, long and short. So, now I will show some object children. Yes. What is the name of this object? Pen. And what is this children? Chalk piece. In these two, you can know, do you know children, which one is longer and which one is shorter? Yes, of course we can say chalk piece is shorter and pen is longer. Okay. So, shorter, longer, shorter, longer. Okay, shorter, longer. So, chalk piece is shorter and pen is longer. Next. Now, in page number 1, here pep activity is given. Sheetal and Komal are eating sugarcane. Okay, here Sheetal and Komal eating sugarcane. Connect the dots to see how much sugar cane they have eaten. Okay, connect the dots children. Okay, here given dots. Now you have to connect these dots everyone. So connect it fast. Connect the dots to see how much sugar cane they have eaten. And then who has eaten more sugar cane? Okay, who has eaten more sugar cane children? First in Sheetal you have to join dots like this. And then Komal, you have to join the dots like this. So, we can tell who has eaten more by looking the dotted parts of the sugar cane. So, here you join lines now children. So, you join Sheetal lines, Sheetal sugar cane and Komal sugar cane. So, now can anyone say children which this is long and this is shorter. Yes children. So the length of these lines is longer and the length of these lines shorter. So the dotted parts gives us the length of the sugar cane eaten by Sheetal and Komal. Now tell me children, who has eaten more sugar cane? Yes, Komal children. Okay, Komal has eaten more sugar cane. So here given blank, in this blank we have to write Komal. K-O-M-A-L, Komal. Komal has eaten more sugar cane. If you observe children here, the Komal has eaten more sugar cane. Then, now open page number 2 children. Page number 2. Yes, in each picture, draw along the dotted lines to help the ant and the squirrel to reach their food. So here one squirrel and one ant is there. So here you have to join the dots to show their food. For squirrel here dotted lines is there. No, you have to join children and then ant you have to join. Next, the squirrel has walked the length of the slide to reach the net. Yes, here the squirrel slides down to reach their food and ant walked the length of the wood to reach the cave. The length of an object tells us how far from one end from it the other. Now look at the following pictures. What are the here given 2 pictures children? So first tell me what are these 2 pictures. First, what is this children? Yes, we know that this is crayon. And second one is pencil. Crayon and pencil. Now can anyone tell me in these two, which one is longer, which one is shorter? Crayon is longer or pencil is longer? Yes children, we know that crayon is shorter, pencil is longer. Yes, crayon is shorter, pencil is longer. Here also given like that, crayon is shorter, the pencil is longer than the crayon and crayon is shorter than the pencil. Next, now observe these two pictures. What are these? Yes, these two are crayons. So now in these two crayons, which one is longer and which one is shorter children? Yes, you can check. Which one is longer and which one is shorter? We can say that children, no. Why here? These two are equal in length. Okay. So two crayons are equal in length. Equal in length. Next. Turn to next page. Page number 3. Hands-on activity. With the help of your teacher, compare the length of the given object to complete the following activity. So read the sentence that is given below. Place a tick if the sentence is right or N cross if it is wrong. So now I will read the sentence children. If the sentence is correct means you have to give tick, and if the sentence is wrong means you have to tick cross. Okay, you have to put cross. First I am reading sentence children. The crayon is longer than the pencil. Yes, you have to check here children. Is this crayon is longer than the pencil? Crayon is longer than the pencil? No. So this sentence is wrong. So for wrong sentence what we have to put? Yes, cross. Okay, you have to put in the first one you have to put cross. Second one. Two pencils are equal in length. Yes children. So when we take two pencils, those two are equal in length. For example, if I am showing these two. Now these two are, in these two chalk pieces, which one is longer and which one is shorter children? We can say which one is longer and which one is shorter? No. Why? Because these two are equal in length. Okay children. These two are equal in length. So but when we compare these two, we can say this is shorter and this is longer. Yes, but when we compare these two are equal in length. So similar like that, the two pencils are equal in length. Yes, this is correct. So put a tick. Then the ice cream stick is shorter than the crayon. Is this correct children? Ice cream stick is shorter than the crayon. No, ice cream stick is longer than the crayon. Yes children, ice cream stick is not shorter. Ice cream stick is longer than the crayon. So here you have to put cross. Next last one. The pencil is longer than the ice cream stick. So is this pencil longer than the ice cream stick children? Is it correct? Pencil is longer than the ice cream stick? Yes, pencil is longer than the ice cream stick. So here you have to tick it. Okay. First one is wrong, second sentence right, and third wrong, and fourth right. Okay. To compare length, we need at least two objects. We compare only this chalk piece children? No. We have one more object, then only we can compare. Okay. To compare length, we need at least two objects. Next, look at the pictures below. Okay children, so if it is two objects means we are using shorter and longer. Okay, when we compare two objects, we can say that longer and shorter. Okay children, just you have to imagine this is crayon and ice cream stick and pencil. Okay, crayon, ice cream stick and pencil. Now we can, here you can see that children, when we compare only two objects, we can say that longer and shorter. But when we compare more than two, okay, when we compare more than two, we are using words longest and shortest. Okay, what we have to say? Longest and shortest. Now, in these three, which one is longest children? Yes, pencil is longest. Okay, when we compare more than two, we can say longest. And which one is shortest? Crayon. Crayon is shortest. Okay, crayon is shortest object and pencil is longest object. Is this clear, children? Yes, children. So now, and I am showing one more thing. When we compare pencil and pen and chalk piece, we can say that pen and chalk piece is shorter and pen is longer. But when we compare more than two children, okay, when we compare more than two, we can say that, so here now I am comparing three children, chalk piece, pen and pencil. Now what we have to say? Pen is longest object, okay, pen is longest object and chalk piece is shortest object. Okay, when we compare only two, we can say shorter and longer. But when we compare more than two, here I am comparing three. Chalk piece is shortest and pen is longest. Okay, you have to remember this, children. Shortest and longest. Now everyone open companion page number 1. Yes, now everyone open companion page number 1. So this is your companion, children. Okay, here gear up is there now. So everyone complete page number 1. So in this what we have to do? Just you have to look at the each pair of objects and put a cross near the longer object and put a tick near the shorter object. Okay, here for longer object we have to give cross mark and for yes children, put a cross near the longer object and put a tick near the shorter object. You have to check in these two which one is longer, you have to put cross mark, and which one is shorter, you have to give tick mark. Next, page number 2. It is party time. Help the cat and mouse reach the party. Tick the animal which had to take a longer path. Yes, here rat and cat are going to party, children. So here you have to help the cat and the mouse to reach the party. So here you have to draw the way to reach the cake. Okay, children? Here you have to draw the way to reach the cake, and after that you have to tick the which animal had to take longer path. Okay, which animal had to take a longer path. So this is your homework, children. You have to complete page number 1 and 2. So now in page number 3, look at the pictures given below. Use longer or shorter or equal. Okay, so first A1. Just here you have to compare, children. Here we are comparing two objects now. So we have to use longer and shorter. So what is the first one? Shoelace and rope. Yes, children. Shoelace is shorter than the rope or longer than the rope? Yes, shoelace is shorter. So in first band we have to write shorter. Shoelace is shorter than the rope. And next one, the rope is dash than the shoelace. So rope is longer or shorter? Yes, rope is longer than the shoelace. Next, second one. Here what are the two objects? Safety pin and comb. Yes, comb is longer than the safety pin or shorter than the safety pin? Yes, children, comb is longer than the safety pin. And safety pin is dash than the comb. Safety pin is shorter than the comb. Okay, safety pin is shorter than the comb. Next, C1, children, last one. Here what are the two objects given here? Pencil and anklet. In these two objects, which is shorter and which is longer, we can say that, children? No, why? Here these two are equal in length. Yes, children, these two are equal in length. Here given, children, just you have to see here and write. Here given longer, shorter or equal, just you have to use these three words only. So the pencil and anklet are equal in length. Okay, pencil and anklet are equal in length. Okay, children, so complete it. and your homework complete companion page number 1 and 2. Okay, this is about today's class, children. In today's class we have discussed about longer, shorter. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.